Winter version 11 has added a new feature called Replace Word. Replace Word allows the user to write a word and then write a second word, and then with a command replace the first word with the second word. We use a bracket H command that you'll put in your dictionary. So that's bracket H colon and then closing square bracket. And now I'm going to show you a small demonstration of how this works. So if you watch what I've written on screen, it's about this new feature. And what I'm going to do here in a few seconds is I'm going to write the word apple. And then I'm going to write the word orange. And watch the word apple. After I've hit my command, then apple changes to orange. That's as simple as it is, and hopefully it will be something that you can use in the future and will